So every now and then your teacher gives you an assignment in Google Classroom, and they don't give you a paper to begin your assignment on. You have to create your own. Maybe it's a Google slideshow. Maybe it's a Google document. But then you realize you have to turn it into them using Google Classroom. And I'm sure you're wondering how to do that. Let me model that for you. Here I have a sample assignment, how to stop worrying and love your tech. Well, as you can see here, my assignment is late because I have not submitted it to my teacher. So, you get reminders every now and then from Google Classroom. That's pretty handy. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is that there's two different ways you can get to this assignment. I can click right here and it'll open the article. But that's not going to get me what I want. Always, always, always click on the title of the assignment. When you do that, it'll open another window. And from that window, you will have an option to mark assignments as done or to turn them in. So we have an article that we want to read, and maybe your teacher says, type your reflection of this article on a Google document, or make a Google slideshow summarizing what you've learned. Well, now it's time to turn it in. What do? Right down here, I'm going to click on Add. If I click on Add, I can select anything that I've already made from my Google Drive account. If I want to create a new Google slideshow or Google document for this assignment, I can create a new one from right here. Then it's as easy as clicking the Turn In button. Today I'm going to model for you how to add one that you've already made in Google Drive. I'm going to click Add a file from Google Drive. What's going to pop up next is a list of everything I have in my Google Drive. Did you know that you can click this drop-down menu and you can filter these? So maybe I only want to see Google slideshow presentations that I've made. Give it a second to think, and now it's going to show you Google slideshow presentations that you can add to this assignment and turn in. How about Chromebook expectations for class? That has something to do with technology, doesn't it? When I click it once, I now get a blue button that's asking me, is this the one you'd like to add? Sure is. If you've done it correctly, you'll see your teacher's file here and the file you've added here. Now I can hit Turn In, and your teacher will get it, and you'll get a green check mark saying that it's done. Oh, and hey, by the way, it was late. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.